are you? Did you finish your worksheet? Before going to the class, I just explain you that worksheet. In that worksheet, we have only one question that is based on comparison of numbers. In that question, the first bit is 4365 and 12509. Now we have to compare these two numbers. Let us compare these. First, we have to compare number of digits. Number of digits. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-digit number. This is a 4-digit number. And count the number of digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-digit number. This is a 5-digit number. Already we know that the number with more number of digits is greater than the number with less number of digits. Isn't it? So, the number with more number of digits is always greater or greatest number. Like that, the number with less number of digits is always smaller number. Now, 4-digit number is smaller number. This is smaller number. And 5-digit number is bigger number or greater number. Bigger number or greater number. Now, in this situation, we are comparing a smaller number with a bigger number. What we are doing? We are comparing a smaller number with a bigger number. While we are comparing a smaller number with bigger number, we should use less than symbol. We should use less than symbol. So, by using less than here, 4365 is less than 12509. Isn't it? In the next bit, we are comparing 78,312 with 78,213. Let us see how many digits are there in two numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-digit number. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also a 5-digit number. Now, we are comparing two numbers with the same number of digits. In this situation, what we have to do? We have to compare these two numbers digit by digit. We have to compare these two numbers digit by digit. While comparing digit by digit, we should start from leftmost digit of the number. Understood, children? We have to compare from leftmost digit of these numbers. Let us see. The leftmost digit is 7. The leftmost digit is 7. In this number, the leftmost digit is 7. Both are same. The leftmost digit of these two numbers are same. Both are equal. Now we have to compare the next digit. If the two digits are same, then we have to compare the next digit of these numbers. What is that? The next digit is 8. Here, the next digit is 8. Let us see the second digit of the second number. Now, this is also 8. This is also 8. So, in this situation also, here we have 8, 8. So, these two are same. Second digit of two numbers also same. Then we have to go to compare third digit from two numbers. Third digit is 3 and the third digit of second number is These are not equal. This is a greater one. Compare it to 2. So, which symbol we have to use? We are comparing a bigger number with a smaller number. So, we should use greater than symbol. Because 3 is greater than 2, the first number is also greater than the second number. So, here also we should use greater than symbol. That means 78,312 is greater than 78,213. Understood, children? In this bit, we are comparing 24,968 with 24,982. Let us see how many digits are in these two numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-digit number. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also a 5-digit number. Now we are comparing two numbers with same number of digits. In this situation, we have to compare these numbers digit by digit. We have to compare these numbers digit by digit. Let us compare the first digit. We have to compare the leftmost digit of these two numbers. Here the leftmost digit is 2 and here also 2. Both are same. Here leftmost digit is 2 and here also 2. These two are same. These two are same. Let us compare the next digit. Here the next digit is 4. The next digit is 4. In the second number also the next digit is 4. So these two also same. There is no difference in first two digits. Let us compare third digit. Now, here the third digit is 9. There also the third digit is 9. These two are also same. These two are same. What we have to do now? We have to compare the next digit. That means fourth digit. The fourth digit in the first number is 6. First number has 6 in tens place. And the second number has 8 in tens place as a fourth digit. Are these equal? These are not equal. Okay. 6 is less than 8 because this is a smaller one and this is a bigger one. Now we are comparing a smaller digit with a bigger digit. So we have to use less than symbol to compare these digits. To compare these digits we should use less than because we are comparing smaller digit with bigger digit. That's why the numbers also comparing with less than symbol. Isn't it? So 24,968 is less than 24,982. Understood, children? Now we are going to discuss about ascending order. What is an ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement of numbers from smaller number to bigger number. What is an ascending order? Arrangement of numbers from smaller number to bigger number. For better understanding, I am taking some examples. Let us see the first example. Here we have 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. Now we have to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order. What is an ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement of numbers from smaller to bigger. Understood? From smaller to bigger. So, first we should identify which is the smallest number among these numbers. To compare these numbers, what we have to do? First, we have to count number of digits in each number. Understood, children? Let us count those. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. This is a 5-digit number. And in the second number, how many digits are here? In the second number, we have 3 digits. This is a 3-digit number. This is a 3-digit number. And the next number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. In the next number, we have 5 digits. In the last number, how many digits are in last number? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the last number, we have 4 digits. So, we are comparing numbers with different digits. Numbers with different digits. Already we learnt the number with more number of digits is the greatest number. And the number with less number of digits is the smallest number. 3-digit number 999 is the smallest number among these numbers. So, we should arrange this number in the first position of ascending order. So, we have to write 999 as the first number in the ascending order. After arranging this number, how many numbers here we have to compare? Here we have only 3 numbers to compare. Those are 5-digit number, 5-digit number and 4-digit number. So out of this, which is the smallest one? Obviously 4-digit number, because the number with less number of digits is the smallest number. So by comparing two 5-digit numbers with 4-digit number, the 4-digit number is the smallest number. So we have to write this 4-digit number at second place of or second position of ascending order. Let us write that. 4,785. Understood, children? 4,785 we have to write in second position of ascending order. After writing that number, how many numbers here we have to compare? Only 2 numbers. But these 2 numbers have same number of digits. Because this number has 5 digits. This number also has 5 digits. Now we are comparing 2 numbers with same number of digits. Here we have to compare these 2 numbers digit by digit. Here we have to compare these 2 numbers digit by digit. Let us compare. What is the leftmost digit here? While we comparing 2 numbers with same number of digits, we should start from leftmost digit. What is the leftmost digit here? 1. Here 3. So, which is the smaller one? By comparing these two, this number is the smaller one because 1 is less than 3. So, this 5-digit number is smaller than this 5-digit number. So, we have to write this number at third position and this number at fourth or last position. Now, 17,892. We should be right 17,892 in third position of ascending order. Finally, we have only one number that must be right at last position of ascending order. That is 34,172. So, this is the ascending order for the given numbers. The first number 999 is a 3-digit number and 4785 is a 4-digit number, and these two numbers are 5-digit numbers. But by comparing these two, 17,892 is smaller than 34,172. So, we should write 17,892 at third position of ascending order. Now, the last number 34,172, we should write it last position of ascending order. Next example. Here, we have 4 numbers. Now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. To compare these numbers, what we have to do? First we have to count number of digits in each number. Let us count. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. In the second number, we have 4 digits. Third number also has 4 digits. Fourth number also has 4 digits. Now, we are comparing 4 numbers with same number of digits. In this situation, we have to compare these numbers digit by digit. Digit by digit. Let us compare. First, we should start from leftmost digit of each number. What is the leftmost digit in first number? This is 9. Here 4. Third number 7. And fourth number also has 9. So, we have to compare these digits. By comparing these digits, which is the smallest digit? That is 4. So, the number starting with 4 is the smallest number among these numbers. So, we should write 4726 in the first position of ascending order. 4726. After writing 4726 in the ascending order, we have only 3 numbers to compare. Again, we should compare the first digit. Here the first digit is 9. Here the first digit is 7. And the first digit is 9 for last number. So, which is the smallest digit? 7 is the smallest digit. So, the number starting with 7 is the smallest number by comparing these 3 numbers. So, we should write 7158 at second position of ascending order. Second position of ascending order. After writing this number, here we have only 2 numbers to compare. Those are 9834, 9483. Let us compare these 2 numbers. These 2 numbers have 4 digits and the first digit is also same for 2 numbers. Let us compare second digit from these numbers. What is the second digit here? That is 8. Here 4. So, we have 8 here and here we have 4. So, out of this, which is the smallest one? 4 is the smallest one. So, this number is the smaller than this number. Understood, children? This number 9483 is smaller than 9834. So, we should write 9483 in the third position of ascending order. After writing this number, we have only one number. So, we should write this number at last position. That is 9834. Understood, children? Now, we are going to discuss about descending order. Descending order. What is a descending order? Descending order means arrangement of numbers from bigger to small. Arrangement of numbers from bigger to smaller. This is also called decreasing order. Ascending order is also called increasing order, and descending order is also called decreasing order of numbers. For better understanding, let us take some examples. In this example, we have 4 numbers. Now we have to arrange these 4 numbers in descending order. What is a descending order? Descending order means arrangement of numbers from bigger to smaller. Now we have to identify which is the biggest one among these numbers. Let us compare these numbers. To compare these numbers, first we should count number of digits in each and every number. Let us count. How many digits are here? Only 3 digits. This is a 3-digit number. The second number, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So this is a 5-digit number. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-digit number. The last number, here also we have 4 digits. So this is also a 4-digit number. Now we are comparing numbers with different number of digits. Numbers with different number of digits. Out of this, first we should identify which is the greatest number. Actually, the number with more number of digits is the greatest number. Already we know that. So, which is the greatest number here? Here, 3-digit number. First number is 3-digit number, 5-digit number, 4-digit number, again 4-digit number. So, the biggest one, the greatest number is 5-digit number. This is the greatest number among these numbers. So, we should write that number at first position of descending order. 74,318. Now, we have to compare the remaining 3 numbers to get greatest number. Observe here, this is a 3-digit number, but these 2 are 4-digit numbers. So, by comparing these are the bigger numbers, no doubt about that. But we should select only one bigger number from these 2 numbers. Let us see. Now we are comparing 2 numbers with same number of digits. Here we should follow digit by digit comparison. Let us compare digit by digit. First we should start from leftmost digit. The leftmost digit is 6 in this number. The leftmost digit is 2 in this number. By comparing these 2 digits, which is the greater one? 6 is the greater one. So, the number starting with 6 is the greater number compared to this number. Understood, children? So, we should write 6,935 in the second position of the descending order. After writing this number, how many numbers are here to compare? Only 2 numbers. Those are 3-digit number and 4-digit number. So, out of this, which is the greater one? Obviously, 2108 is the greater number. Now, we have to write this number in third position of descending order. What next? After writing this number, we have only one number, that is a 3-digit number, 436. This must be written at last position of decreasing or descending order. Now, this is the descending order for the given numbers. Is it clear, children? This example also has 4 numbers. Here also we have 4 numbers. Let us see how many digits are there in those 4 numbers. Here we have 4 digits, and this number also has 4 digits, and this is also 4-digit number, and last one is also a 4-digit number. Now we are comparing numbers with same number of digits. Understood, children? We are comparing numbers with same number of digits. So here we have to follow the digit by digit comparison, because we are comparing numbers with same number of digits. So we should use digit by digit comparison to get the greatest number among these numbers. Okay? Then what is the leftmost digit here? That is 5. And here 3. The leftmost digit in third number is 4. The leftmost digit in last number is 5. Now compare these digits. Here we have 2 5s. Here we have 2 5s. 1, 4, 3. Out of this, which is the greatest digit? 5 is the greatest digit. But using 5, we have 2 numbers. Starting with 5, we have 2 numbers. Now, we should decide which is the greater number from these 2 numbers. Let us compare the next digit in these 2 numbers. The next digit here is 6 and here 7. So, by comparing 6 and 7, which is the greater digit? 7 is the greater digit. So, 5702 is the greater number compared to 5602. So, we should write 5702 in the first position of descending order. After writing this number in descending order, here we have only 3 numbers to compare. Out of this, the number starting with 5 is the greatest one, because the first digit from these numbers are smaller digits compared to this digit. So, this is the greatest number. Next greatest number is 5602. Now, we should write this number in the second position. 5602. After writing this number in descending order, we have only 2 numbers to compare. Now, we have to decide which is the greater one. So, by comparing the first digit from these numbers, which is the greater number? 4895 is the greater one. So, we should write that in third position of descending order. Understood, children? After writing this number in third position of descending order, we have only one number from the given numbers. That must be written at fourth position of the descending order. 3459. So, this is the descending order for the given numbers. Have you understood, children? I hope you understood. Children, I will conduct a test in the next class. Now, I am giving the topics you have to prepare for that test. So, please prepare well all these topics and try to get full marks in the test. All the best, children.